Welcome to another version of How Do I. In today's How Do I, we're talking about Google Drive and a new feature that's been added into Google Drive called Add to My Google Drive. A lot of times people are very confused with where things are stored within Google Drive, and it's confusing. On the intranet, we have this icon here, which is your personal drive. So this is all the documents that are your documents or others have shared with you. And over here we have the company shared Google Drive, which is a set of folders that have been shared with everyone in the company. And when you go into this option over here, you will see the folders that were created by your systems administrators, and only the systems administrators or the help desk can create these drives, and then they share them with the entire company. So basically these are like the K drive and the S drive. There should be one folder for each functional team, with only the members of that team to be able to get into it. And there's also shared drive folders where they are read-only and all members of the company can get in them as references, such as like anti-stigma materials. Everyone in the company should see something like this folder, where the budget and finance team will only show if you're a member of the budget and finance team, which this user that's currently logged in is. And some of these other folders here are common sites. But what's confusing for people is that they don't see these folders in the default Google My Drive interface. They don't see them if they're using Google Drive on their phone, and they wouldn't see them on, say, an Android tablet, nor would they see them like on an iPhone or an iPhone tablet. So with this one simple procedure that I'm going to show you, this will add this link right into your My Drive, and I hope simplify the whole Google Drive experience for users. So simply what I want to do is just from the intranet website, this is going to be really short, go into Company Shared Drive, and you want to click up here where it says OCCMHA Company Shared Google Drive. Right click, that's a right click on your mouse button, and you want to sit there and say Add to My Drive, and it's got the little Google plus sign here. Click on that, and then that has now been added to your drive. So you can close this window. And now when you go into Google Drive, like normal, and this will be true of on any device, what you're basically going to see in your drive is any folders that you've created or any documents that you have. But now you're going to have a red folder, and this red folder is going to be the OCCMHA Company Shared Drive. And when you expand that folder out, you will see all of the departmental folders. So again, if you're looking at it like this, or if you're looking at it by expanding it on the left-hand side, you will now be able to expand out and see the company directory. So this basically makes a very consistent interface from any of the applications that have Google Drive. You can now go into My Drive, and the red folder will be the folder that is the team folder for all of the shared folders throughout the entire company. So this will make it more consistent when trying to find things, as this red folder will be locked in. So you need to do this one time first time, and then it will be stuck within the user interface. The other advantage now is that if you have something over here in your folder, or if you want with your Google Drive interface, now what will be able to be done is now you can move to, because you couldn't do this before, and now you can actually move an individual folder or item to your company team shared drive. So that was the second biggest issue, was how do I get stuff into my team directory that's in My Drive? You weren't able to copy it, but now with this new function, this new feature, you'll be able to move documents in your team drive so that you can start sharing and collaborating with your team in the same fashion you used to do with the Microsoft drives like K and S. So that solves one of our biggest problems with Google Drive navigation. Thank you.